Selection sort. The algorithm divides the input list into two parts, the sublist of items already sorted and the sublist of items remaining to be sorted that occupy the rest of the list. Initially, the sorted sublist is empty and the unsorted sublist is the entire input list. The algorithm proceeds by finding smallest element in the unsorted sublist, exchanging it with the unsorted element. Now, here is the list. 25 cents, 5 peso, 10 cents, 10 peso, and 1 peso coin. So, first, we need to determine the element which has the smallest value of this array, which is contained at index 2, this, 10 cents. So, we swap 10 cents to 25 cents. Then, we determine the next value of the remaining elements which is contained in index 2, 25 cents. So, let's swap 25 cents to 5 peso. So now, this list is already sorted and this list is considered unsorted. So let's continue. Let's find the next smallest value of the remaining unsorted elements which contained at index 4, 1 peso. So, we swap 1 peso to 5 peso. There are two elements remain, the 10 and the 5. So, now we find the smallest value which is contained in index 4, the 5 peso. So let's swap 5 peso to 10 peso. So look at the list. Now our array is already sorted. It formed an ascending order. Now here is the code. Public void selection sort int a, int n. We initialize n, which is n is equal to the size of the array, which is 5. And in this code, the program do the swapping of elements. Selection sort.